Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Spotify account. So if you have a free Spotify account like me and then you want to upgrade it into premium because you're too boring with the pop-up ads and etc., I'm going to show you how to update your account on Spotify. So in this case, I'm using Spotify on my desktop, and then if you want to upgrade it, just click on the upgrade option at the top, and then you'll be directed to the spotify.com. And here why you need to go premium, the Spotify team explained here, and then you can just pick your premium package here from individual, duo, family, and student. So individual and student is just for one account, but duo is for two accounts, and family is it can be used up to 6 accounts, so you can share it with your family. But probably for duo is it is probably for you and your partner, for example. And then you can just click on get started until you choose one of this package provided by the Spotify, and then click get started. Okay, so here you just need to choose your payment method, whether you want to use credit or debit card. You need to can use PayPal or other payment method. Okay, so you just need to pay it to upgrade your Spotify account. So I think that's it from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you guys.